Hey you guys, today is my cleaning day, so I wanted to show you guys how to make the Thieves household cleaner wipes. Super duper simple, so I'm just going to show you how to do it here. So I've got my product here, got my Thieves cleaner. I've got about 3/4 of a cap right here. I'm going to dump it into here. And then I've got about a cup of water. And this is 16 ounces, so 2 cups, and I use 1 capful for this. So this cleaner lasts a really long time. That's a big bottle, lasts me about a year. And then I've got my dry wipes here. All right, so that's all mixed in. So you're just gonna take your dry wipes, put them in here like this, and then you can turn them over. And the bottom obviously just soaked up a ton of liquid, so then you can just push down on here and it'll kind of soak into the bottom. If you need to add a little bit more liquid, then you can. So the bottom of mine are just a teeny bit dry, but that's going to soak through, so I might add a little bit more liquid. And if they start to dry out, you can add more liquid too, but then you just pop the cap on, the top of it on, and you just have your little Tupperware container of wipes here. These top ones are pretty saturated, but I'm going to peel one off here for you. And these open up, and you can use these for anything. You can use them for the toilet, the counter, your sink. It's safe cleaner that you can use anywhere. You can use them in the car. I use them to wipe off my husband's motorcycle. Almost called him my boyfriend for a second there because he had his bike when we were dating. So they're pretty big wipes, and you can use that for a mirror. You can use it for anything. I mean, it's good stuff. You can use it on like your stainless steel appliances. Wipe that all down. And this is like super duper safe to be by food. Like I've accidentally touched one of these wipes to my food and I'm not worried about it. Like I just continue to eat it and it's no big deal. Like if I was cleaning up next to like my meal. So that should dry in just a second, but they work really well. Don't look at my stove. It's disgusting. Like I said, it's my cleaning day today. So that's how you make them super duper easy. And like I said, you can just adjust it a little bit. All you have to do is have that household cleaner. So if you buy this stuff in a kit, you save the most amount of money. Like you're going to be making these for pennies, literal pennies. So I think it breaks down to like a couple cents per wipe, where if you're buying like the Clorox ones or whatever, those are super duper dangerous and they don't work. They really don't. I'm going to have a follow-up video on that later, but that's how you make them.